In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set spending limits in Vercel. If you want more control over your billing and you'd like to avoid unexpected charges, setting a spending limit in Vercel is a smart thing to do. This feature helps you define how much you're willing to spend during each billing cycle, and it also gives you a few actions you can enable once that limit is reached. Let's walk through the process together. First, go to Vercel and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to manage billing. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top area of the interface and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where you'll find access to your personal and workspace related settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Vercel keeps account configuration options, including billing controls. After the settings page loads, find and click on Billing Information. That section is where you can review and manage the financial side of your Vercel account. Once you're in Billing Information, look for the Spend Management section. This is the area that allows you to place a spending cap on your account. To begin, toggle the switch so the feature is enabled. Turning this on tells Vercel that you want active spending controls in place rather than leaving usage open-ended. After enabling spend management, enter the maximum dollar amount in US dollars that you want to spend per billing cycle. Choose a number that makes sense for your projects and expected usage. For example, if you're testing running smaller deployments or just want tighter budget control, you may want a lower amount. If you manage heavier production workloads, you might set a higher limit. The key is to choose an amount that protects your budget while still supporting your needs. Next, configure the available actions. In this area, you can set what should happen when the spending limit is reached. Options may include pausing deployments, sending notifications, and using webhooks. Pausing deployments can help prevent additional usage from new changes. Notifications are useful if you want a warning right away. Webhooks can be helpful if you use automation or external monitoring tools and want your systems to react when the limit is hit. Before you leave the page, take a moment to review your settings carefully. Make sure the spending amount is correct and that the actions you selected match how you want your account to behave. Once that's done, your Vercel spending controls will be in place, giving you better visibility and stronger control over billing each cycle.